Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
This message appears when your Apple ID lacks prior iTunes activity. It blocks access until you complete simple setup steps. You must sign in and agree to new iTunes terms of service before use. The same message can show on iPhone, iPad, or Mac devices. Adding or confirming a payment method often resolves the issue quickly. These steps usually take under 5 minutes and need your Apple ID password and billing details. Open the App Store or iTunes and sign in with your Apple ID. Next, check for a Terms of Service prompt and agree to the latest version. If you do not see a prompt, sign out and sign back in to force it to appear. Add or verify a payment method and confirm billing address to finish setup. After these actions, attempt a free download to confirm the account is authorized for iTunes usage. If prompts fail, sign out, restart the device, then sign back in to retry. Sometimes a simple restart clears cache and forces the iTunes prompt to appear again. Update your device software to the latest version to avoid compatibility blocks and authentication errors. If you still cannot complete setup, check your payment method for regional or bank restrictions. Contact Apple support with your Apple ID and proof of purchase, if unresolved, for live assistance and account reactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.